Joining us to go through the results is David Hurley, Principal Partner at the Gandalf Group, and Willie Crew, Global Head of Consumer Markets at KPMG. We're looking at the C-suite execs' thoughts on free trade with the EU, so-called CETA, C-E-T-A, the Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement recently announced by the federal government. 1 in 3 think this agreement in principle is good. What about the other 2?
They think it's fine.
That's as far as they're willing to go.
That's as far as they're willing to go. Most companies in Canada don't think this is going to have much of an impact on them. It's not like free trade with the United States, where a lot of companies felt threatened by that and other companies saw great opportunity. Most companies see not much in this for them, but general modest uplift for the economy.
What is it, distance with Europe, or that they're over there, we don't know what they're all about?
No, but you know, as with many times we do the C-suite, there's a contradiction in the results. So on one hand, you've got 58% say it'll have no impact on their business, yet 82% say it'll impact the economy. So I always question, how's it going to impact the economy if it doesn't impact your business? Mm-hmm. The great thing about this, I think this is a great agreement for us on many fronts. On a personal level, as a collector and lover of wine, the fact that we're going to take tariffs off wine and spirits, I think is one of the great things of all time. But you're going to take tariffs off cars. You're going to have access for protein, for pork and beef to the thing. And the one part that's gotten some noise is the cheese aspects, you know, and a little bit the generic drugs, which we can talk about. But I think this is a really good deal, and I think it opens up markets, and I still don't understand the contradiction in the C-suite results.
Well, I would speculate that it is, on the one hand, their theoretical, ideological predisposition toward free trade and the notion that freer trade generally is a benefit to the Canadian economy, on the one hand, and on the other hand, a hard-headed assessment of their own company's business and transactions and saying, well, as we know that most Canadian businesses are not conducting business in Europe and have no intention of expanding into Europe, and so they look at their business and they say it doesn't matter.
Well, I mean, I think we have a vibrant, pork and beef trade as an example. I'll start that, and the fact we're going to open up markets and create larger markets for our pork and beef that they will open up, I think is a very good thing. I think our auto parts industry, the fact we're going to take tariffs off and allow greater preponderance of auto parts into things, I think is a good thing as well. And if in part of these deals is compromise. Everybody wants a win, just a win. Mm-hmm. You've got to compromise. And the cheese aspect, allowing, probably double the amount of cheese into our country, 29,000 tons, is a compromise. We haven't looked at our patent laws on IP in probably 3 decades. It's time to look at it. And 2 more years of patent protection is a compromise in this scenario. I mean, generic drugs is very important to our economy, very important to the cost of drugs, and so we'll have to work with it. But I think in all, it opens up markets. It's a good deal.
What was interesting to me as well was the fact that while most say, yes, it's a good idea, but it's really not going to affect me, virtually nobody expected strong growth in the Canadian economy over the course of the next 12 months. You would think you would be using this as an opportunity to find markets abroad.
Well, the Canadian business community, first of all, is getting more bullish on the American economy again, which allows them to fall back into their reflexive.
Ah, yes. Let's put the eggs back in that basket.
Reflexive. So this is the last several quarters have been the first time since 2008 that more executives in Canada are bullish about the American economy than are bullish about the Canadian economy. Mm-hmm. And there's a general consensus that the American economy will be growing, and so that's one answer to that. On the other hand, we're still seeing very constrained expectations on the part of individual company performance. When people are assessing how their company is going to do, we are still down 10 to 15 points in strong growth from where we were pre-2008. Right.
As you know, Michael, as you do this show, a stock portfolio cannot have one stock. Mm-hmm. And Canada has had a one stock portfolio for a long, long time. And we have not diversified our risk. And I think recently under this government the sensibilities have changed. And we need to diversify our risk. We need to sell and export our goods and our services to a broader group of countries.
Is it a self-fulfilling prophecy, though, as the program is implemented and the trade expands, companies see their competitors going abroad, they realize they've got to be there. The rewards are not apparent at first, but they come down the road.
That realization hasn't really gotten to the level that I think would make many people happy and make me happy. I mean, I was just in India, and there's such a large market there, and there's a slowness to understand and to go into these huge markets that are just waiting for Canada to enter them.
We've seen, whether it's emerging markets issue, or in this survey, big data and diversity in the boardrooms, a real resistance to change among large segments of the Canadian elite business community. And I'm wondering whether, what I see in our consumer research is that Canadians are more likely to say, I'm worried about falling behind, than they are excited about the opportunity to get ahead. I'm wondering if that mentality isn't infiltrating our business community as well. And people are far more risk averse than they are excited about opportunities.
And as we say every time, that's going to be our downfall as a country on a competitive scale. That, David has hit the nail on the head. That's what we need to change.
Gentlemen, thank you.
Thank you very much.
David Hurley is the principal partner at the Gandalf Group, and Willie Crew is the global head of consumer markets at KPMG. That's our look at the 33rd edition of the C-Suite Survey. For a closer look at the sentiment from the corner office, join us at bnn.ca.